It's a windy fall afternoon in the sky, and the two little clouds, Neb and Marsh, are playing pretend. We are forest police officers, me and my friend. We protect its animals and plants. The clouds can see everything from above, even the smallest ants. I see something suspicious, Officer Neb. What is it, Officer Marsh? Those trees are scattering trash. It's alright, Officer Marsh. Those are seeds, not trash. They become new plants in the spring. Got it, officer. Let's continue on patrol. Whoa, we have a problem, Officer Marsh. Police! Police! The trees are gone and we don't have a home anymore, says a bird. We need to find a solution. Before we figure it out, we breathe in and breathe out. I have an idea. The wind spreads the seeds that had fallen on the ground. The seeds are going to make new trees and plants grow all around. It takes some time before the seeds grow into beautiful new trees. But now, the birds and other animals have a new place to be. Thank you, officers. You are my heroes, says the bird. But Neb didn't agree. He said, the real heroes are the plants. They make Earth a better home for all my friends. It's summer night in the sky. Neb notices a twinkling star. Wow! Hi, Neb. What are you doing? I'm connecting the dots to find the constellations. This is fun, but I want to find a constellation that has the super big star. The super big star? Yes, I heard it is enormous and super important. I want to find the super big star. Me too. It's time for Space Detectives. Neb and Marsh start looking for the super big star. But the day arrives and makes it hard to spot the stars. Son, it's you. Hi, kids. I'm happy to see you. What brings you here? Today we are detectives, and we are looking for the super big star. You don't know who the super big star is, do you? They both shake their heads. The sun gives them a clue. Those stars we see in the sky, they are really far. This is why they look so small. The super big star is much closer to us. That means it is close to you and appears much bigger than those little stars. Neb and Marsh go investigate that clue and agree the answer must be Miss Moon. She tells them she's actually a natural satellite, not a star. The sun gives them another clue. The super big star gives light and warmth so the plants can live and breathe. Neb and Marsh go investigate that clue next to a tree, but they can't find anything warm close to it. One more clue, space detectives. The super big star shines light on all you can see right now. The day is illuminating all we see. That's right, Detective Marsh. And the day is made by the sun. The sun is a star. Congratulations! You solved the mystery and found the super big star. It's me, the sun. How nice it is that you live close to us. How nice it is that you are so warm. How nice it is that I can provide light and warmth for all of you. And how nice it is that you provide water and shade for the plants. We are all connected, just like stars in a constellation.
Neb the Kid Cloud had a lot of fun in the spring, seeing the flowers. Even more fun in the summer, doing lots of showers. He saw the trees grow and the colors show.
But this morning, Neb encounters something better. The plants, once vivid, now seem to wither. They need water, Neb says with confidence. Just like before, the plants need water from the rain to survive. So, with a smile on his face, Neb starts to make rain. But in this case, it seems to be in vain. Instead of a drop, what comes out is a flake. Oh no, it didn't work. It was a mistake. Suddenly, it feels really cold and it looks really, really white. Just then, Neb sees a part of a tree the flakes forgot to hide. With his super glasses, he can see the tree's eyes. They're sleeping, he realizes. In this case, there's no reason to be weeping. Just like me when I go to sleep at night, they are going to wake up just right. Neb just discovered that the snow is temporary and part of a big cycle of seasons. He waits and watches the snow become rain. And the plants begin to show again. As the weather gets warmer, a pleasant surprise. The colors appear with the sunrise. When drops become flakes again, Neb knows it will be okay when it snows. It's a beautiful day in the sky. Neb and Marsh are playing with their new ball. Oh no! Hey, Mother Earth, my ball fell on you. Do you know where it could be? I don't know, said Mother Earth. Can you guys help me find it? Yes, Neb and Marsh say. Look, I never saw this before. It's blue like the sky. What's that, Mother Earth? It's a lake. It's made of water. Hi, little clouds. Nice to meet you. Look what I can do. Wow! says Marsh. Is that our ball inside the lake? No, my dear, that is just a fish, says Mother Earth. Wow, it is so beautiful, says Marsh. I twinkle because I appreciate it. It means I like it very much. There is always a twinkle to see, Mother Earth adds. Look, Mother Earth, I think we found our ball. There are many of them, Marsh says. But these are flowers and not balls. Beautiful flowers, says Neb. Beautiful trampolines! I twinkle because I appreciate it. Neb and Marsh get to a place they had never seen before. It's a waterfall. The ball is in the waterfall. Oh no! Mother Earth, it's our ball. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. And Mother Earth, like a hero, gets the ball and tosses it back to the clouds. Thank you, Mother Earth. We appreciate it. I spy with my little eye something yellow. Those flowers. No, it's something else. Those butterflies? No. I know, that boat. You got it. Yay, I got it right. So now it's my turn. I spy with my little eye something red. Is it this bird? No, it's not. That fire truck? You got it right, Miss Moon. Your turn. I spy with my little eye something green. I know. The trees. Yes, the trees. That was easy. Now it's your turn, Marsh. I spy with my little eye something blue. The sky. No, it's not the sky. Try again. I know, it's the ocean. You got it, Neb. I spy with my little eye. Oh. Now we're over a big ocean, and there's only blue. The blue of the ocean. And the blue of the sky. We cannot play anymore. It's alright. Together we can find a new way to play. Yeah! Before we figure it out, we breathe in and breathe out. I know. There are no more colors to spy, but there are sounds to listen to. I hear with my little ear something musical. Yeah, the bird singing. Yes. I hear with my little ear something relaxing. The sound of the waves. You got it.